And it looks pretty good. I'm not hearing complaints, which means we should be all set. Yep. All right. So driver's ready. Marshal's ready. This is a 6-minute D main. Top two going to transfer. And your race will begin on the sound of the tone in less than 5. Did I say 5 or 0.5? Regardless, the tone is off. We are off and rolling. Batten in the all orange leading us out. Taking it nice and safe through the first double. Wants to get into a rhythm. Wants to hang on to that lead. Going for the triple. Landing it clean. We've been working on that lip all weekend, and, well, it's still happening. Caution going through the valley. Caution going through the valley. It's been kind of cleared, and it's been cleared. Uh-oh. Batten having issues. I'm hoping it's not major. I'm hoping it's not what I think it is. It's looking like a lack of steering. And I think that's an accurate assumption. Yep, I'm going to say that's a lack of steering. All right, let's go find your leaders then. Top two are working themselves through the right-hand side now. Orange and blue Truggy, followed by the yellow and blue Truggy. Truggy's in the lower mains. I like to see it. I mean, I love the bruggy bodies, but it's old school. You gotta like old school. So that's gonna be Roger Cross out in the 1, McNerney in the number 2. Then you got Chen Williams, only a 2.5 back, so your top 3 keeping it nice and close. MEINTEL's not too far out of it. He's currently in the number 4, leading the freight train of Dewey, Charles, Habuda, Myers, Sisson, Swartz. Then you got Blair, and I believe that was Dommel out as well. So Dommel and Batten out after 1. 11-car race with 1:55 down and 4:05 to go. Uh-oh. Oh, God. That is the worst luck in the world. Couple people going for the triple, and all of them downsiding. I wonder if we made it easier. If so, I really don't want to learn the new racing line. McNerney making a pass in that last lap. Again, he's in the all yellow wheels. Heading on to the back stretch. Let's help over in the front stretch. Will gonna jump over it as the car was coming at him, and then still flip him in a nice fast manner. Roger with a little bit of a mistake. He's in the second spot, the second final transfer. Chen not too far back. He's going to be trying to play that consistency game. Trying to work his way into the next main. Then it's going to be MEINTEL, and then the freight train up. Going to wait till they all cross to tell you who it is, because I know a couple of them changed positions. It's going to be Habuda, Swartz, Rosario, Blair, Sisson. Then it should be Dan Myers and Dewey. Freight train is completely changed. Four minutes down, 2 minutes to go, 2/3 of the way in. Like the lead couple cars have spaced themselves out. Your leader is going through the backstretch towards the teardrop on the right side. Then you got Cross, and then Chen, and then MEINTEL. All of them about 4 seconds apart from each other. So, unless somebody makes a mistake out of the top 2, probably won't see much happening there. So let's just start looking at the rest of the field for something fun to watch. If it holds true, we should have a nice battle for the 5 spot between Habuda and Swartz. They were 4/10ths apart last time around. Just have to wait and see where they are on the track. I believe that's going to be Habuda and Swartz coming towards the line. It looks like there might be a third car mix. Habuda still hanging on to the 5 spot. He got 7/10ths up on Swartz. Then another 2.5 back will be Rosario, followed by Dan, another 2. And it looks like it might be Andy with the long lap. No, I believe I saw Andy coming off. That puts Dewey up in the number 10. 40 seconds to go, and up next is going to be race number 8, 1/8 scale Nitro Truggy D main. 35 seconds to go. Looks like Roger and Chen will get around for one more lap. Chen closing the gap. It was 6 seconds, and now it's down to 1, all in one lap. So Chen putting on the charge at the very end. That's going to be the battle to watch. They're going through the sweeper now. Roger in the orange and blue, Chen in the blue and silver yellow wheels. Down the washboards into the wall turn. 10 seconds to go. Just about everybody's going to get around for another lap. But the important part is that second and final transfer spot is looking to be decided on this one. Chen with a mistake on the back stretch. Gets it wrong in the valley. Marshall to the rescue. Roger keeping it nice and tidy through the right-hand side. Kevin McNerney came across the line, finishing it out, securing that one spot. You guys are racing them to the line. Everybody is racing them to the line. Roger Cross going to finish and take the second and final transfer. Chen going to come around and secure the number 3. Here comes MEINTEL, sitting in 4th for the majority of the race, running his own nice, clean race, finishing out there. Just the leaders just didn't make many mistakes. Consistent game, couldn't win it out. Swartz going to take the 5. Habuda going to hang on to 6. Sisson the 7. Myers the 8. As all 3 of them cross within 10ths of each other. Then you got Dewey McCulley and Charles Rosario coming around to make this race official. That is a race, folks.